So, hi, Dr. Sonali. How are you? How was your day?
Oh, hi, Prachi. It's been a great day. I would say this platform, Millennium Divas, it's really a great platform, and I was expecting a lot through this platform. This is my first time that I'm attending this program, and I had huge expectations, but it really stand to my expectations, and I loved it. And the energy and the vibe and overall the choice of panelists and the selection of panelists and the sessions were fantastic. So far so good.
Wow, very nice. I have some quick questions for you.
Okay, shoot.
Okay, sure. Do you think the stigma in the society is completely removed for women in entrepreneurs?
Completely removed? No. It's I would say it's a journey. I can say in the scale of 0 to 10, it has moved from 0 to now 3, 4. But there is still a long way to go, and it will take a lot of time, lot of efforts from not only from women community as a community, but also men community will also have to support women. And overall, it will take a lot of time, but the needle is moving. But in the slow speed, it will take some time, but it will take its own time, and we'll all have to work for it. We have to lead the this battle and become a role model for others.
From the front.
Yeah, and become a role models for others, I guess.
Exactly. One soft skill which you want every woman entrepreneur should learn.
Be it a men or a women entrepreneur, I think one soft skill which is very, very important is the communication. I think in today's era, when the products are fantastic, the solutions are amazing, the ecosystem is supporting, the entire environment want to help you and support you and to make you bigger and grow your business. I think many people and many startups are failing just because they were a poor communicator. So communication becomes a true, a very important soft skill, because from communication you go to marketing. From marketing, communication also plays a very vital role in pitching. How you make your investors understand your idea, your business, that truly comes how good you are in communication, because you cannot apply the same communication style with everyone. You have to customize your approach as per the audience. So I think for me, I think communication is a very, very important soft skill which any entrepreneur should be, expert. Men, women, doesn't matter.
Okay, so let's move to the quick rapid fire round.
All right.
CEO or founder?
Founder.
Work from home or office?
Work from home.
Okay. All women team or diverse team?
Diverse.
Investor pitch or customer demo?
Customers demo.
Vision or execution?
Execution.
Pitch deck or elevator pitch?
Pitch deck.
Co-founder or solo founder?
Depends on the situation, but co is better, because every individual will not be equipped with all the skill sets. So if it's a complement of two complementary skill sets, two people coming together, co-founding a company, that's a great combination.
Podcast or TED Talks?
Podcast.
Oh.
Yeah.
Product market fit or founders market fit?
Product market fit.
Coffee or green tea?
Coffee.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Black coffee, normal coffee?
Normal coffee.
Oh. Hire for skill or hire for attitude?
High for attitude.
Okay. Feedback or gut feeling?
Gut feeling.
Wow. Wonderfully answered. One last thing, a quick line about Millennium Divas.
Millennium Divas, I think it's a platform that every women entrepreneur, at least once in a lifetime, should attend this. The reasons are many, because this is a platform purely focusing on and encouraging women who are building business independently or in partnership with their male co-founders. But I think this opens your mind, and also you meet a lot of people from different domains and from different sectors, and you can always exchange ideas and can learn from each other. I think that's the beauty of this. And as they're rightly mentioning here, championing tomorrow's growth today, I think Millennium Divas truly stand for what they are saying.
Yeah.
Right.
Well, thank you, Sonali.
Thank you so much for having me here. Thanks, Prachi.